This week, we are going to explore the fifth step of the interdisciplinary research process: develop adequacy in each relevant discipline. To develop adequacy means to understand each discipline's contribution to the problem and then evaluate each discipline's insights. Understanding and evaluation. We pay attention to the epistemology, assumptions, concepts, theories, and methods of each relevant discipline. There are 5 tasks or sub-steps involved in step 5. Explain the meaning of adequacy, develop adequacy in both theories and methods, use and evaluate methods, and finally, provide in-text evidence of disciplinary adequacy. In this week's lecture, we will focus on developing adequacy in theories and in methods. You will have an opportunity to practice these sub-steps in this week's assignment. In the upcoming weeks, we will expand upon the work we do this week as we progress through the rest of the steps. Next week, for example, we will analyze the problem from each discipline's perspective and then evaluate the insights produced by each discipline. So, the articles you've read, the tables you've created, and the notes you've taken in previous weeks will be helpful this week and throughout the rest of the semester.